Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach your Insta360 camera to any surface. So it's pretty easy to do that and I have very good experiences with it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to remove the camera from the case. You can do that by pressing this little lock icon, which is going to unlock the hook inside, and you can just pull on it. You have to pull quite hard because the camera is the magnets in the camera are pretty strong, and this hook keeps it in place. And as you can see, when I press the button, it unhooks it. So in the box, you will get this little attachment tool, which you can use to attach your camera to almost any surface. I've been attaching this camera to concrete, to the wall, to a car, or any surface. Obviously, the smoother the surface, the better, but this magic little pad, I don't know how they do it, but it sticks very, very hard to surfaces. I would also recommend it not so you don't attach it to your wall or a painted area, because I had an accident here. It actually just ripped off the painting from the wall from our office. But yeah, you have to attach it to this little thing just like that, and then when you attach it, you have to remove this protection cover, and this is the magic surface that sticks to everything really, really hard. You just have to attach it to a surface just like that, and it's going to protect your camera. Obviously, as you can see, I didn't even press it hard, but it stays there. Obviously, if you attach it to a car, you have to press it just to make sure, but I have very good experiences with it, and I would say that it is going to protect your action camera. And even if you have an accident, it is an action camera, so it's pretty sturdy. You shouldn't have any troubles with it. So with this surface, you can attach your camera to anything, even a paper box. As you can see, it lifts it. So yeah, you can almost attach it to anything. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation. You can purchase this camera and any other tech products in the shop below. This way you can support our channel and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.